it's Angie and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a very special unboxing. This is Chi Chi Sticks 2.0 and it's a special edition BBQ, and it's one of the custom-made ohm beads that you can order. This is the BBQ number 2. If you didn't know, Chi Chi sticks are one of the oldest method of fortune telling in the world, and the practice represents a method of random selection. So the answer seeker kneels often in prayer in a temple or before an altar while holding the tube, and then asks a question of the universe. The tube is shaken, one of the sticks with the answer to your question falls down, and you can tell your fortune that way. So the Om Chi Chi sticks is an interpretation of that tradition, and by shaking the charm you get your daily mantra. And what's really cool about this is that you pick the words that you want to go on the sticks. I can tell this is going to be an incredible unboxing, and let's do it together. Okay, so as you can see, it's this beautiful wooden box with the Om name on the top. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, so nice. There's a beautiful red leather pouch for your bead inside. The packaging for these BBQs is always incredible. And then these, I assume, would be traditional Chi Chi sticks. And this is the little instructions on how to use them. So nice. Oh my goodness. This is like a larger version of a bead that was previously made, the little Chi Chi sticks one, but this is much bigger. And there it is. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful that is. Sterling silver, of course. A nice big bail on top. The Om symbol inside, and it's like a little maze around it. And then inside are the sticks. So, So this one says, remember. Gosh, that's nice. It's beautiful. So let's shake it. See if we get a different one. Laugh. Lucky 3. So you get to pick 10 different words that you want on your Chi Chi sticks. You can tell your fortune every day. By shaking the charm, you will always receive your daily mantra. Let's see what today's is. Mine says learn. So I always want to learn something new every day. That's perfect. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. So this is Om Beads Chi Chi sticks. It is a BBQ and custom made. Beautiful as a pendant or on a bracelet, and it's just lovely. What a keepsake. Thanks so much for watching, and you can go to ohmbeads.com if you want to find out more about the BBQs available and of course Chi Chi sticks.